Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So this is my first official video that I'm going to be putting on my channel, and if you guys did not check out my first intro video, then please go check it out. I'll leave it down in the description box below. So when I went to the Louis Vuitton store, I kind of knew what I wanted as in terms of like functionality wise, size, how big I wanted it to be, but I didn't know like basically like the pattern or like canvas style. So I'm going to show you guys what I got him, and then I'll explain as I go through. So here is the Louis Vuitton bag. I just noticed me and the Louis Vuitton bag are matching, and here it comes with a little receipt. I got him the, what is it called, the Slender wallet. I don't think I want to talk about prices on my channel. Yes, I got him the Slender wallet. I don't know if I want to go over pricing on this channel, but if you guys are interested about how much I pay, you can just ask me. And obviously, I mean, it's on Louis Vuitton. It's on the website also, so you guys can also find out the pricing there. So this is the little box it came in. It also came in with a ribbon, but obviously he already opened it, and he only worn it once. He really does like it. So I'm just gonna open it. And it comes in its little dust bag like that, and then here's the wallet. It has, I think, it could fit about like 8 credit cards, and this is the outside of it. So the reason why I went with this wallet is because it resembles a lot of his old wallet. He carries a lot of credit cards, sometimes a lot of cash. Here's his old wallet. There's nothing in it, so there's not really, I took out all the important stuff. So yeah, his wallet was breaking down. This is a Tommy Hilfiger wallet, and it's a really good wallet. He's had this for 3 years, and as you can see, it starts to show its wear. The ID pocket's like ripped apart. The stitching is coming out. There's a hole in here too. But he has a lot of cards. He has cards here, he has a lot of cards here, and he had a few cards here I took out, obviously. But like I said, he carries cash on him more than I do. The only difference is that with this wallet, there's only like one big pouch, I guess you can say, to really like hold money or whatever in there. In this wallet there's 2, so there's 2 places that you can hold money, but as you guys can see, he doesn't hold money there. He holds his cards. I'm going to show you guys. It is really so cute. If you guys want to see how we went about purchasing it and basically our day, when I went to the store, I actually looked at a couple items for myself. Be sure to hop over to my other channel and check those videos out. See you guys in my next video. Bye.